To present our next award, she's the prolific filmmaker of Bingo Hell, Into the Dark's Culture Shock, and segments of VHS 85 and Satanic Hispanics. Please welcome Gigi Guerrero.
Hola amigos, it's me, tu amiga, Gigi Guerrero. Stop moving, stop moving. And we gotta talk about something. Now, in many ways, cinema transcends through language. A filmmaker has to convey through images and emotions. A ver, hold on. Espérame tantito. It's really, really hot. Luchadora, come here, come here. Agua. Gracias, gracias. ¿Y me das un poquito de aire? Un poquito más cerca aquí en el cuello. Eso, gracias. Take two. Cut it. Are we rolling?
Yes.
Are we rolling? Okay, take two. Now, in the horror genre, it is the main genre that stop moving. That everybody in the world can have a common link through myths, through legends. Luchador, I can't see the lines. Hang up. No puedo ver las líneas. Haz un zoom. No, even more, por favor. Okay, cut it. You know what? You're fucking fired. A ver, vámonos, ya. No, pero si no puedo ver, lo necesito más cerquita. I need to see the lines, right? No, not close to me, close to that. You know what? We're just gonna skip to the good parts. Gracias. Yeah, gracias. We're just gonna skip to the best part. So what I'm gonna give you guys is Best International Movie. And the nominees are... No, espérate! No mames! Cut it, just cut it. La cagaron, eh? I'm trying to learn a script, and you guys don't do your job. What do you want, luchador? What do you want? I can see the nominees. Thank you. I can read them. I don't understand. We're back in business, ladies and gentlemen. We're back in business. Perfect. Okay, let's get to the good parts. And the nominees for Best International Movies are... The Coffee Table. Exuma. Infested. Huesera, the Bone Woman. When Evil Lurks.
Virgen Santísima! ¡Don Luis! ¡Ay, Dios mío! ¿Qué va a hacer?
And the winner is... A little noise. ¡Cuando acecha la maldad! That's when evil lurks. When evil lurks. Yay! Congratulations, Demian! Get out of here. All of you, go home. Just go home.
Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much for voting my movie When Evil Lurks and made me so happy to win this prize. This is the second time that I win as foreign movie in this beautiful prize. I'm a big fan of Fangoria, as you can see, and I'm very grateful for all the people of Fangoria and all the readers of Fangoria who voted. Well, thank you. I can say that because my English is not so good, so thank you.